Hello everyone, a few days back we made jalapeno scones and today we will be making raspberry scones. So, half cup raspberries, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, lemon zest, that's your choice, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a cup frozen butter cut into cubes, 2 cups flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup buttermilk. We're going to add all of our dry ingredients. This is 2 cup flour, a pinch of salt, 2 pinch, your baking soda, your lemon zest, sugar, and just give it a nice stir. And at this point, when you're stirring it, you can actually smell the lemon zest in it. You can't see it, you can smell it. Yeah. So the butter, which we cut out, we froze the butter, it's half a cup, and then cut it into cubes. We're gonna just add it to the dry mixture, and you can use a pastry cutter. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use an old-fashioned fork to do the work. So I'm just going to do it, throwing half of it, and we're just going to mash it. I'm going to make it into a crumble paste. This is a very good workout. If you have kids at home, use them. They're perfect for mushing the butter. As you can see, we have a kid over here who's doing it. They have a lot of energy. Let it out. Let it all go. But the ingredient time, so we take the buttermilk, vanilla extract, and the egg. Give it a good stir. Let's add the star ingredients. These are frozen raspberries, you can add as much as you want. I just added half a cup. If you don't have raspberries, you can add strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, blackcurrant, your choice of berries. Just gonna give it a good stir. And we're gonna slowly add our egg milk mixture. We're gonna make it into a dough. Once we've mixed the dough, it's going to be very mushy because of the berries, because we've activated them. We just powder the surface with some more flour and just have to make it into a dough. So at this point, you can continue adding flour to it, and you'll have to work a lot on it. You'll have to knead it. Just keep on adding flour. Okay. I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and you see your dough is done. You just make them into any shape. You can make them in triangles, you can make them into balls. Just grease your pan, put them on it, and you can see it's turned out to be a beautiful purple color. It's because I mashed the berries too much. An optional step, this is just milk, and I'm just dipping it and tapping the scones. It'll just give them a slight softness on top. You don't have to do it if you don't want to do it. And once we hear the oven go tee, we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. In they go. We're gonna bake them for 20 minutes. These are out of the oven. They have been cooled down for a bit. As you can see how they look. It's a gorgeous purple blue color. A nice color at the bottom. Just look at them from inside. You can toast them with butter, put some sour cream on it, put some cream cheese on it, put some jam on it, and just have with some tea.